The legitimacy of Temu's free gift promotion is a topic of considerable debate among users. While some individuals report successfully receiving free items, others have encountered challenges that raise concerns about program's transparency and reliability. So, how does the Temu free gift program works in the first place? So, Temu's free gift promotion often require users to make initial purchases, after which they can claim additional items over subsequent days. For example, a user might spend $25 and then be eligible to claim 4 free gifts by logging into the app daily. Some users have found this process straightforward, successfully claiming and receiving their gifts without further issue. However, numerous users have reported complications, for example, unexpected additional purchases, difficulty in claiming gifts, product substitution. So, these problems do pop up. There's a problem about quality and authenticity as well. Beyond the free gift program, some customers have expressed dissatisfaction with the quality and the authenticity of products purchased from Temu. Instances include receiving Temu items that differ significantly from their description or images, such as rug that turns out to be small mat resembling a back mat. There's also a couple of data privacy concerns because Temu has faced security over data privacy. A lawsuit alleges that app may access users' personal data without proper consent, raising concerns about potential misuse of information. So, what's the key takeaway here? So, while some users have had positive experience with Temu's free gift promotions, others have encountered issues that suggest the program may not always be delivered as promised. Potential participants should approach this promotion with caution, carefully read all items and conditions, and be prepared for possible complications.